Well, hello and welcome back to my channel, Make Life Simple with Sandy. Y'all, it has been a hot minute since I've been on here. It's been 2 or 3 weeks. I'm going to try to do 3 videos today. I'm wearing my Halloween garb. So, it was time for me to get my driver's license renewed. And went and got my driver's license renewed and forgot I was wearing a bat necklace and pumpkin earrings. Oh well, it is what it is. But y'all, I got my Boxy charm, I got my Walmart box, and I've got my FabFitFun. So I'm gonna try to get those filmed. Things have been crazy hectic around here. We went to East Tennessee, to Knoxville for some real estate class training. My son is having LASIK surgery this week. I have a doctor's appointment next week. And then we've got a trip to South Carolina planned if it's still on. I don't know how much damage the hurricane done. And then we're coming into Halloween, we're coming into Thanksgiving, and then we're coming into Christmas. So, but anyhow, you know how it is. Life kind of gets in the way. So, but anyhow, this is my Boxy charm, y'all. This is a monthly box. I think it's $24.99 or $23.99, and got some really good stuff. The first thing that I want to show you is, now y'all, it's an eyeshadow palette by Pretty Vulgar, and it's called the Nightingale palette. So, and I just want to kind of show you, it's more of a neutral tone. There's some like really dark shades. These, let's see, we have Nocturnal, Pillow Fight, and Break Free. And then we have Dark Side. Can you see? Dark Side, Hide and Seek, Clutch, and Flip Out. And then we have I Spy and Silver Spoon. And then we have Swoop, After Midnight, and All Nighter, which is, it's almost a black. And there is, looks like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 mattes. And the rest is shimmers. Not a real bright shimmer though, so, but anyhow, that's it. And, but it is the Nightingale palette by Pretty Vulgar. I think that's kind of a halfway new brand. And then I was excited to get this. I love the Laura Geller stuff, and this is the Baked Blush and Brighten. And this is in the color Tropic Hues. And it is their Baked Blush. Can you see that? Is the light coming down on it okay? I'm getting a little bit of a glare. So, but I love all the stuff by Laura Geller. Got some more brushes. Kind of nice, so they're gonna be good little brushes. And then we got some of the Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color in Aubergine. Oh, that's dark. Yeah, I'm gonna pass that on or put that in the beauty box, or pass it on to a friend or something. That's a little dark for me. And then we have Luscious Angel Eyes. This is an eyeshadow primer base. Right there. Eyeshadow primer. So, but that was it, y'all. That was Boxy charm for this month. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and God bless.